How to make money with Bitcoin for beginners. Hi there, you guys. Welcome to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can make money with Bitcoin. So, as you may all know, Bitcoin has been rallying up over the past decade, over the past 5 years. And if you happen to have gotten in during this point in time, during 2015 to almost 2017, where it has been going sideways, and it only was for 200 to $400. It ranges on that price point. And if you are someone who bought here and then sold here, well, good for you. But if you had like the stomach to hold it until it went up to last 2021, like 1,000 over percent, that's really dope. Congratulations, you made a lot of money from that point. Well, making money with Bitcoin, of course, I don't even have to say this. Come on, buying low and selling high. That's basically what you want to do when you want to make money on crypto, on stocks. And they work basically just by buying the stock or the crypto in a lower price and then trying to sell it for a higher price when it appreciates in the future, in the near future. But a lot of people cannot stomach ups and downs when it comes to the market. So let's say, for example, during the time when it has becoming, when it's like sideways, during this time, people, the initial reaction of people would be like disinterested, right? Or the volume might be too low. That's why people don't want to go in that trade, because volume, they are not really spiking up, so they're waiting for that big kind of amounts of money to come in. And it started coming in around 2017, halfway through 2018, and that's when it started to go crazy, you guys. So it as you can see, there are pullbacks along the way. Well, these are just minor and healthy pullbacks, because in order for like a crypto or a stock to go up, it needs pullback, you guys. That's like the basic the basics of doing charting. So I know most of you all are familiar with charting, but if you happen to like bought here hoping that it will go all the way until here within, let's say, this year, but what happened was it actually crashed, and it almost went back to the to this levels, 2000 last quarter of 2017 levels. And then that's a little bit, I cannot stomach that. If it's is when I'm talking about my whole life savings, if I put it in here, it's kind of hard to stomach. But if you like had the courage to like stomach this free fall way back 2018 until 2019, and then just had the patience to wait it out and just look at it now, it's wow. I'm not really sure what to feel about Bitcoin. But again, after the high here, it it went down. This is a massive pullback if you ask me, because it's 100% decrease from the original price, but it still managed to went up. This is actually called a pennant pattern. So a pennant pattern is, when a stock went as high as this and then suddenly it drops and it went sideways and then it got tested again. For in this case, Bitcoin's price got tested on this part, so it can either go down from this point or go up from that point. So what happened was it went up. Well, I expected that the chart will look like this, but buying low and selling high involves a lot of factors, like you studying patterns, chart patterns, lines and stuff like that. You have to do charting in order for you to like predict, not really predict, but try to get an overview of what the price, what the crypto price might be within this amount of time. And there are tools that you can use to do that. A lot of tools like moving averages, 20-day moving averages, 50, 100 to 1, really depends on how long are you planning to trade this particular crypto. And aside from buying low and selling high, there are a couple more options for you to choose from when you want to make money on Bitcoin. Aside from that, is that you can join affiliate programs such as Binance and Paxful. These are trading platforms, and what they do is that they take percentages, they are like commissions when someone else does or executes a executes a qualified trade. So come on, exchanges make money whether you lose or you win a trade, right? So you want to make money on that, because when you try to make money buying low and selling high, it can take a lot, or it can take a long time. Yes, you can make a lot of money when you try to enter a trade with, with a couple of know-hows. That's actually the best thing for you to do. But what if I'm not a risk taker? And what if I don't want to be putting in money here on Bitcoin all time high? It's been reaching its all time high, and I'm not sure if it's gonna go any higher. Well, I think that platforms like this, Binance and Paxful, is another way for you to earn money using Bitcoin. They don't require you to like shed in your personal money just to buy the cryptocurrency Bitcoin. But what it does is that every time someone else uses the link that you provided, and then signs up using it, and then does a particular trade using the link that you provided to sign in, and then when that person does a trade, you get a percentage of what goes to Binance. And that's another way for you to earn money. Imagine when you have, or when you referred someone to Binance, and then that person trades a lot of money, like let's say thousands of dollars, and there's a percentage that goes to you. If you want to learn more, click this link right here, and you can know more about the affiliate program, to know more about the ins and outs, the percentages that can get to you, stuff like that. We also have Paxful. Paxful, it works the same way, just like when Binance is trying to take like a certain percentage from people's trades. It works the same way, but I'm not sure if there are a couple more ways that you get paid using Paxful. Next is, of course, paying with Bitcoin. If you want to set up a shop and you can, and maybe accept digital payments for it, there are a lot of platforms where you can set up a shop and then try to integrate or try to accept digital payments, like this platform, B2BinPay. So you can start now by clicking in this button right over here. So there are a couple of options that you can choose from here if you want to accept digital payments for your shop. Now it works by via wallet. So it means that you'll have to integrate this particular platform to your shop. And for example, you want to use Squarespace for your shop and stuff like that, or Wix, and link up this particular platform for you to accept digital currencies just like Bitcoin. And that doesn't even require you to put out your personal money. It just means that you're making money not with the typical money, but using cryptocurrencies. And once you earn cryptocurrencies, maybe you can go ahead and invest them on buy low and sell high. But I'm not sure if this is gonna get any higher. But of course, come on, it's Bitcoin, and it has defied all odds. When people thought it's not gonna get higher way back to 2020, look at what happened now. It shot up to almost 1,000%, and that's really crazy, you guys. And yes, there are a couple of ways to make money on Bitcoin, and I also found an article that talks about all these stuff. It's a lengthy read, so if you want to learn more about how you can make money on Bitcoin, it's best that you try to read articles like this. They basically talk about other ways that you can make money on Bitcoin aside from buying low and selling high. And yes, this is an article by Paxful. This is not in any way paid promotion. I just find it really useful, and I really like reading stuff online. So if you want to learn more about this stuff, just click on this article right over here with this link. So that's it, you guys, for this video. I hope it has been helpful. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so be careful what you enter, what trade you enter, and where you put your money, because it's your life savings that we're talking about. It's not somebody else's money, it's your money. So be careful. Do your due diligence, as they say. So that's it for this video, you guys. See you again in the next video. Peace out.